Hey guys, welcome, what's up, welcome back to my channel on Really Doing. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead to like this video, leave a comment down below in the comment section, tell a friend to tell another friend about life with Dominique awesomeness.
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
So I'm going to attach the little issue that we are having right here. All right, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome, what's up? So come out to the road. We came to AC Hotel to have dinner because Jenny's birthday was walk here, so we'll walk. Jenny's birthday was on Wednesday, Thursday, and we wanted to come have dinner for the weekend. We tried to call, nobody picked up the phone, and what you call it, nobody picked up the phone. And then when we came, there's no walking, so yeah, that's what's up. So we're going to Spanish Court. We can't take a picture here, so how would the picture look? Please take my picture right here. Yeah. Yeah, so you guys would have seen that and past Jenny's. So now currently we are leaving AC Hotel to go to Spanish Court because AC Hotel don't have no space. I would try calling, but anyways, so we're going to Spanish Court right now. So I guess we'll come back here another time, and yeah, that's what's up. So Spanish Court said them at 9:30, so that's what we're doing right now, going over there. So this is us leaving here. Yeah, so no reservation here at the AC Hotel, so we just gotta go. We'll go under here. Where's the exit? Yeah, so yeah. Alright guys, so we are now at Spanish Court. So we reached at Spanish Court. We're gonna go inside to see what's going on. So yeah, Antalik, yeah. So alright guys, so as I was saying before, we got to Spanish Court, so we're gonna go inside to see what's happening. So I'm gonna put on my mask, and yeah, that's what's up. Jenny, alright, listen, I know we can't purchase this, and I said me and Uno can't purchase this, you know. Alright, we're now here, so we're going inside. Alright guys, so we are now inside, and we are about to check out the menu. So yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. Jenny, you know, if you put down the phone and look for it at the menu, look for your wall. Just focus on our picture. Check out our way, guys. I did this. I did that. No time to do mine, so who else? Alright, but like there is one really neat. Watch Mr. Man. Let me show them Mr. Man. I wonder what this circle thing over here is for. Hi baby. Hi boo. Hi boo. Hi boo. Alright, so the menu is here. Alright, people, on a browse through, screenshot what you know want. Alright, just to know the menu or check it out online. I hope it's online, so as I said before, yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna check out the menu and come back. Alright guys, so they have over there looking like this, over there look like that, and they have like the different areas over here, so and the seating, and we're sitting here. They have some seats, some nice seats, like some, you know, like something like right here. So yeah, yeah, that's what's up. So we're just sitting and waiting. Push a machine over there. I don't think you get that in Kingston like that. Like, you know, like you know, but where you're going to find it? That's what he said?
No, man, I said maybe because
So yeah, and we're sitting in a seat like this and that's outside out there. So I was just chilling, waiting on the food. Kinda aggravated though because I'm hungry and the service seems to be slow. Just say, I'm not sure. I forgot to brush out this area of my brows. But yeah, we're just waiting though. Let's see how the food tastes. So the first thing I got was soup. This is so tacky. Let me put a wipe off the cup. So that's soup. This is cream of pumpkin and garlic bread here. So yeah, that's the first thing. The next thing that we got was some spring roll. It was 4 pieces of these, but it's like one spring roll they cut in 2. Babe and Johnny did parts already, but I'm going to taste to see how it tastes. Alright guys, so the next thing, this is, what salad is this, babe? What was the name of this salad again? Huh?
Yeah, look.
Is it fish?
Chef salad.
Oh, so this is chef salad.
If this is small one, let's see.
Babe got jerk chicken wrap and fries. Johnny's got the same here. Alright guys, and I got escabeche what? Fish sandwich. Yeah, with fries, ketchup here. Yeah. Alright, so some burgers came out. These are called the Spanish Court burger. Honestly, these are so big. These are super big. These are humongous. Johnny is here. And she can all eat this one, you know. We're going to finish it. Or are you going to finish it?
Bring home some.
I'm going to bring home some.
Yeah, sure.
Me here, not even start the sandwich yet. This is like 8 minutes since my feature it. Why are you taking my photo?
Eat this now?
It's so big. What is that?
You put name out?
Oh yeah, this. So we have name out. Listen. Go burger. But I'm not sure. Acha, look how them have to just prowl out it first at the burger. They remember say him did have one wrap you eat earlier, you know. Belly full. So you can afford everything here? Yeah, wash plate.
Yeah, wash plate. Can't buy them now. Took dishwasher. My belly full already.
Wash out your full
wash
belly.
Out the food and then we go up.
Guys, lead me up. Them big, me not like big. Well guys, after me that complain, oh me I tell us so I'm hungry and me wait and me can't wait no longer. And I tell us so the food them lead me up the belly. There's a baby down there. Feel like something I push up. Oh my god, yeah. Guys, press-ons, lifesaver. Press-ons right through. You know, don't have the time to sit down and do nails now, so grab a pack of press-on at the same place in Oakland and good to go. So we're just waiting on the bill. Yep. Prices are in USD. Their exchange rate is 153. So let's see how that goes, what the bill is gonna be like. Alright, so yeah. Alright guys, so the prices, they were in USD, so 133.23 cents. In Jamaican dollar, 20,384. Yeah. Guys, I must say, their bathroom looks really nice, really nice. Like the flash, but all of that, bathroom nice and big door, and I like the vibe. Yeah, concept nice too. Look at him, look at him. You don't want to go home? You want to book a night?
No, I'm on.
You want to go home? You don't want to stay here? No. Guys, their lobby is nice too as well. Really nice. The vibe, the decor idea, I like it. Really nice. On hotel in Kingston, nice bad, like the concept and so forth. Alright guys, so alright, this is the outside of Spanish Court and we are gonna leave now. So yeah, picture sessions and yeah, we're just like chilling and we're gonna leave now because curfew today is 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, so they said they wanted to go back to go back over to AC Hotel to see if we can catch a Starbucks. So yeah, Starbucks, that's what we're gonna catch. So yeah. Alright, so Starbucks closed. We would waste the time come back over AC Hotel to get Starbucks. So it hurt me. I don't know why. But we were just saying that lockdown it seemed like it got for Kingston. Over here vibing, and as I said before, curfew is 6 o'clock. So yeah, but when we realized about over AC and Spanish Court, a lot of money vehicle people, money people, then people really go out and place there like yeah. But yeah, we're going to leave. I mean, this is where the vlog is going to end because there's nothing else to talk about, to capture. So we're heading home right now and yeah, so you guys can wish Johnny a happy belated birthday in the comment section too as well, right Johnny? Yeah. They can wish you a happy belated birthday. Where there? Alright, and we're going home now, so don't forget to like, share